We've just spotted an AgCam in the wild. It's been out here for 20 years. We're gonna go see if it's really here and is it still working? Look at that baby up there. Whose truck even is this? It is working. Look at that. We had to put colors on here just to let people know it was colored. What a treasure. Here's what's older, the koozie or the monitor? An actual cigarette lighter. Today we're doing an upgrade from 20 years ago. Cameras still work, monitor still works. We're gonna show you how insanely easy it is to put in a new monitor and a new camera and leave the existing cable that's going to the camera. Obviously, technology has gotten a lot better in 20 years, and we're gonna go to an AHD. We're gonna put a new monitor on this baby. Look at this. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked because it's beautiful in here. There's no way this light works. Oh, yes. So we went from this to this. If you're looking for the AHD quality that maybe some of the other equipment you've seen has, and you're still rocking a Dakota Micro camera that's still working by the way, but 20 years old and not as clear, the colors aren't coming out as much, then this is what you need to do. The benefits of doing this, of course, are clarity. You're gonna gain 2 more camera outputs. The molding's changed a little bit, but they will still plug in. To upgrade to the new ones, it's literally mount your camera, twist lock, you're done. So plug your new monitor in and get back to work. This is a great example of buying a quality product made in America so that you only have to replace that once every 20 years. Man, it's incredible. Well, see you in 20 years, dude.